Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Honda Accord hood. First, gather all your necessary tools like wrenches and screwdrivers. Make sure your vehicle is parked on a completely level surface for safety and ease of access. It's also crucial to disconnect the car's battery to prevent any unexpected electrical issues during the process. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement. Now, let's get to removing the old hood. Begin by locating and carefully removing the hood prop rod from its support. Next, gently disconnect the washer fluid hose and any electrical connections that might be attached to the hood. Finally, with assistance, carefully unbolt the hood hinges from the vehicle's frame, making sure to support the hood as you do so. With the old hood removed, it's time to install the new one. Carefully position the new hood onto the hinge mounts, aligning the bolt holes. Securely bolt the new hood to the hinge mounts, but do not fully tighten them yet. Reconnect the washer fluid hose and any electrical components you previously detached. This step requires precision for proper alignment. After the new hood is installed, carefully adjust its position to ensure even gaps around all edges. This step is vital for a professional look and proper sealing. Next, thoroughly test the latch mechanism multiple times to confirm it opens and closes securely. A properly functioning latch is essential for safety on the road. For more great deals and to check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, please see the link in the description below. Double-check all connections and enjoy your new hood.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.